بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Islam is a faith that cares for both the body and the soul. It teaches us that true purity isn't only about washing ourselves. It's also about keeping our hearts clean. In Islam, purification or ṭahārah is the key that opens the door to worship. Without it, prayer and many other acts of worship cannot begin. The Prophet ﷺ said, purity is half of faith. That's because cleanliness in Islam goes far beyond what we see on the outside. A Muslim is encouraged to stay clean, smell pleasant, and keep their home and surroundings pure, but also to cleanse their heart from anger, pride, jealousy, and sins. Outer cleanliness means washing the body, clothes, and place of prayer before standing before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we make wudu or take a ghusl that I will be talking about in the coming lectures inshallah ta'ala, in the coming videos inshallah ta'ala, it's not just about removing dirt, it's about preparing yourself to meet our Creator with respect and humility. Each drop of water reminds us that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those who purify themselves. But inner cleanliness is just as important. The heart can be stained by arrogance, dishonesty, or envy. And these are harder to see than physical dirt. Inner purification comes through repentance, forgiveness, and remembering Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala often. When the heart is pure, good actions naturally follow. A clean body and a clean heart together make a complete believer. The one who stands before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with both outer and inner purity feels calm, focused, and honored to worship Him. So, as you begin your journey of worship, remember, every time you wash for prayer, take it as a moment to also cleanse your heart. Ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to purify you inside and out, to remove not only physical impurities, but also the mistakes and bad feelings that weigh on your soul. Purification in Islam isn't just a habit. It's a reminder that the believer should always strive to stay pure, both in body and in heart, for the sake of the one who loves purity.